baby, this Amazon package, if the stuff is the right color, baby, we can start decorating for Christmas today, okay? That's how. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the video. I don't know if I'm gonna add this in the previous clip, in the previous video, or if this is all the same vlog. But you guys been shopping with me, so I'm gonna show you guys what I got for my Christmas decor. I'm so excited. I can't wait. So I'm gonna bring the bags over, show you guys what I actually wound up getting. Cause I went back and forth to different stores, and we were trying to find the shades of pink. We finally got something. I was so excited. So everything over. I got some grocery items and stuff too, so it's a lot of stuff, right? It's not that much. It just feel like it's a lot, but it's really not a lot. So let's get to unboxing. Well, not unboxing. Let's reveal what we bought from the store. I'm so excited. We're gonna take everything out, and so this is like a lot of stuff, but it's not. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna probably come up closer to show you guys what I got, and let's go. Y'all excited about Christmas? I'm excited. Ooh, I'm hot now. I'm ready to get out my jacket. All this moving around. I need to fix me something to eat, and we'll be back. In addition to the Christmas decor things, I did pick up some regular household items. I picked up some tissue, some Listerine. Use this cortisone 10. Baby, when I tell you, as a kid, I used to break out from any and everything. Detergent, a fragrance, you name it, my skin would be irritated. This is something I want to ask you guys. The heat in my apartment is like a sauna when you cut it on. And the other day I cut it on, just like last year. I cut it on in the middle of the night. I wake up and my mouth is like completely dry. My sister kept telling me, she said, get you a humidifier and it would help with that. So I picked up a Vicks humidifier. I don't know how this works. I hope it works. Have y'all used a Vicks humidifier before? And then I asked the lady in the store. She said she got the same one for her daughter. She has asthma. And her other daughter, who was there with her, she was much older. She said that she uses it because of the same thing. Like you wake up and your mouth is dry. It's not like your throat is not sore. It's just a dryness. And it's like, it makes you very irritable. Warm mist, and then they also have a cool mist. And then on the top, it tells you how to choose your humidifier. It says, whether you're looking to get relief from cough or colds or comfort from dry air, Vicks humidifiers add essential moisture into the air to help you and your family feel better. Here are some things to consider when choosing your humidifier. If you want a cool mist, it delivers cool mist into the air and helps maintain overall room temperature. If you want a warm mist, it produces warm steam and provides soothing relief from dry air. I think that's what's happening, which is why my mouth is dry. I'll let you guys know how this works. Hopefully it's a 10 out of 10, because your girl needs it. There you go. You forget this way. Lock it back in. Like that. Then put it back. Okay. Put the medicine stuff on this side. Alright. I think we got it. Let's go get some more. Supposed to be quiet, but I don't see no stain. I hear something. Oh, I see this thing now. Can I see it? What's up, guys? This is probably later on in the week, midweek, but y'all ain't gonna believe this. Y'all, listen. I'm internally, baby, I'm crying, okay? Now, let me just, set this tone, okay? Today, my auntie is in town. Auntie Tabitha Brown. Listen, and look where I'm at. Baby, I'm at the La Casa. I am at home. And it is currently 5:14. I should be heading out on my way to the event. Baby, glammed up, dolled up, ready to go outside, okay? And we not going. And I want to cry. I'm trying to be okay and hold my tears in. Because you guys probably, I don't know if I'm going to insert it in this clip or not. But early in the week, last week, Humidifier. And I tell you, that thing had balled up things that I didn't know was in my chest. In terms of like my nose, I just felt like really congested. So I was like, okay, it's breaking everything that I didn't feel it was even an issue because I felt fine. So fast forward to today. Yesterday, I called my friend. I was like, you ain't gonna believe this. I still feel a little nasally, and I'm like, should I go? Should I not go? And I'm like, I don't feel sick. I don't feel ill. I got tased, this, that, and the third. I got everything feels normal. I've been going to work, but it's just like I feel a little nasally. You know what I'm saying? You guys can probably tell in my voice as well, like right here. I want to cry. I do. First of all, the host of the event, I don't want to say his name wrong. He's the founder and owner of Kill My Name. I still have not got a chance to try at the restaurant. But I'm like, I actually met him and his co-host, Tamika, at Tabitha Brown's event last year, or at the beginning of this year, when she had the book signing here in Chicago. I'm like, oh yes, I see him in the crowd, met him, and I'm like, okay, I'm going to go to his restaurant Monday. Scrolling on Instagram, guess what I see? He posted a flyer saying, Auntie Tab's coming to Chicago. Baby, you already know, I was like this. When? How much is the tickets? When she gonna be here? Because at her event, I didn't get a chance to get VIP. Baby, that's the oven. Hold on. Sorry, guys. That was my oven making all I know is letting me know. What was I saying? Oh, so last year at her event, I attended, but I couldn't attend the VIP because, baby, the ticket sold out like that, baby. She posted it. Chi-Town showed up and showed out. And I'm like, baby, I wanted to live VIP, so I give my auntie a hug, get my book signed, this, that, and the third. Wasn't able to do that. But we attended the event. It was amazing. It was amazing. So this time around, baby, I'm scrolling. I said, hold on, wait. Auntie gonna be here? We getting the ticket. Look at them. Chilling. See them jamming? Do you see this? If y'all ain't crying for me, cry right there. Baby, listen, I'm supposed to be here. It's okay. This let me know we're gonna have another opportunity to go see my auntie. And I'm gonna get a chance to meet her, give her a hug, get a book signed, and whatever the things, all the things, okay? That was one of the reasons why I didn't go, because I'm like, okay, she gonna give out a good old hug. She like to take pictures. I'm most definitely going to want a picture. What? Then I'm like, I don't feel that. I don't have my energy not at 100 where I want to get dressed up, dolled up, comb my hair, put my clothes on. You know what I'm saying? So I was like, Jessica, if you're not going to show up 100% yourself, we're not going. And y'all just don't understand. It's 5:19. In my mind, I'm still like, girl, just go ahead and get dressed. But because I didn't feel well this week, I refused. I don't want to go amongst a bunch of people. You know those things. If you understand, you understand. If you get what I'm saying, you understand. Auntie, I can't make it to the event, but we gonna turn. You know what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn on Fridays with Tab and Chance on the computer on my TV. We gonna watch that, and I'm cooking my dinner. We cooking a little chicken sausage, some veggies and rice. We gonna still watch you tonight. We just not gonna be in your presence. But Auntie, listen, I know you probably ain't gonna see this video, but next time you in Chicago, you know what? Even if I gotta travel, I'm gonna meet you, okay? And I want you to know, I'm gonna get a chance to meet you. So we putting in this video that I'm gonna get a chance to meet Auntie Tab either in 2024 or 2025. One or the other. We meeting her. Okay? So I just wanted to pop in and just let y'all know like how I feel right now. My heart is a little broken. It hurt a little bit. Like for real, for real. Uh-oh, my chicken sauce is popping. Let's turn them down. Yeah, let me get off here so I can finish cooking, and I'll talk to y'all later. Baby, all the girlies said it's nice cool. And baby, we probably got like an inch left. But I like it. It has like that mint taste to it too. I am feeling so much better today. So much better today. So we thank God for that. Ooh. I'll see you guys at some point later on. Bye. What's up, guys? So we are back. We are now en route. Oh, the sun is out, baby. We are now en route to Dollar Tree. I'm actually on the hunt for some Barbie socks for my cousin. And she said something about they had some Eddie Boo socks and she still ain't got them yet. So I hope I can find them too. Looking for some tees from Dollar Tree. I want to get those socks. And I also need some index cards. Can't remember. I see the sun is out again today. Baby, it's fall and it's winter, then it's fall and it's winter. How do I get in this thing? Okay, we just gonna go through this side. Uh-oh. Did I lose y'all? Oh. Y'all done fail. Hey. Hello, hey y'all. Welcome. So, we have made it. Cute. Look at that, y'all, for Christmas. Let's have to still show y'all. I didn't have any luck finding the socks at Dollar Tree, but I did get the index cards and I did find my tea. But hold on, before I even get home, let y'all pop y'all up here. Come on, baby. That's fine. I need to check my email to see if my package was delivered from Amazon. If I could go pick it up. Let's check to see. Baby, yeah, little baby. Let's go. Delivered today. My order has been delivered. Both packages made it today. So we can pick those up on our way home. That way we don't have to pick those up tomorrow. We can get them today and then we can see if they match in the decor. I'm excited. That just boosts my mood. Baby, this Amazon package, if the stuff is the right color, baby, we can start decorating for Christmas today, okay? That's how excited I am. Let's go. Come on, y'all. Hello. Hello. I made it home. I'm about to get ready to open the packages up. Then we should pick up from the Dropbox. Well, it ain't my address, no way. Give me a sec, get some scissors. The goal is that hard pink, purple color I've been trying to find. Hopefully this matches. So these are actually pillow. These are pillow covers. Y'all, I think it. Wait a minute. I'm trying to find pillow covers, the color. Give me a second. Ooh. I was trying to find pillow covers to match those ornaments. Okay, so if those don't work, we also got this. Ooh, this is like some pants I have. So this is like a Barbie pink to match the other ornaments that I found Sunday. Okay, so let's just see. Okay, this is more of a berry. Okay, so these are 3 different pinks, right? One of these better match the ornaments that I got, okay? Okay, this look a little lighter than the color. But do y'all think maybe it's gonna match this one? Oh, it's closer. I feel like it's closer to that one right there. Y'all think so? What y'all think? I mean, we know it don't match this. This is the Barbie pink. But this one, I don't know. This one, you have to get match. Like from a distance. That looks good. Would y'all agree? That looks really good. Those two match. I really like these ornaments. Am I trying to make it work or do it work? I don't know. But if not, we can just take it back. What y'all think? Okay, I'm not gonna get discouraged now. I got a lot to finish up tonight. We will come back to this. But it's fine. We're gonna figure it out, okay? We getting there. We getting close to almost decorating because I'm over looking at the stores. I'm gonna put my stuff out and see it and enjoy it and basking. You know what I'm saying? But thank y'all for tuning in. I think I'm gonna close the video out today. Maybe I'll pick up later on this weekend or tomorrow, which is the start of the weekend. I don't know. We shall see. But until then, see you guys next time. Bye.